Okay, so this is a quick demo of the FsVoice conversational app framework. So there was an FsVoice version that was built to work with the GPT real-time models from OpenAI. It's a multi-agent system with a RAG pipeline. So this is the open source version of that. It's using all open source models for text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and the reasoning model here is the Gamma 4 model. The response time is very good. It feels very natural. There's voice cloning, so you can clone voices, and also it's interruptible. What I've done here is I've loaded the FAA documentation on drones. It's not the full set of FAA regulations, but just related to drones, and I'll be asking questions of those. And you should be able to see the reasoning and the fast response time. So I'm going to connect. So initially it'll look for a WebRTC connection. If that fails, it'll fall back to WebSockets. As a recreational flyer of drones in the US, what do I need to do?
Let me check that for you. To fly a drone recreationally in the US, you generally need to follow the rules outlined in the exception for limited recreational operations of unmanned aircraft USC 4489 not. Key requirements include 1. Registration. You must register your drone if it weighs 250 grams due to 0.5 pounds not or more. 2. Trust test.
Can a remote pilot fly a drone beyond visual line of sight?
Let me check that for you. Yes, flying a drone beyond visual line of sight do be as not is possible under specific conditions and regulatory frameworks. While most operations require the pilot to maintain visual line of sight, regulations are evolving. Some operations may be permitted in rural areas or where the pilot is the only operator. Furthermore, Unmanned Aircraft System Traffic Management UTM NOT is being developed to enable BVLOS operations at low altitudes, and Part 105 certification is a path for carrying property beyond visual line of sight.
As a Part 107 pilot, can I fly the drone at night over people and over moving vehicles?
Let me check that for you. Yes, as a Part 107 pilot, you can fly at night over people and moving vehicles, provided you meet specific requirements. For night operations, your drone must have anti-collision lighting visible for 3 miles. The rules for operations over people do not change due to night conditions. Regarding moving vehicles, Part 107...
I'm a firefighter responding to a wildfire. How can I request emergency drone authorization through the FAA?
Let me check that for you. For emergency drone authorization, you should use the FAA's FA Drone Zone system. You will need to log in and select the option to create a Part 107 waiver and authorization. You must clearly detail the operation, including the specific location, time, and altitude. If approved, the FAA...
What is the difference between a LAANC authorization, a Part 107 waiver, and a certificate of authorization?
That's a good question. The main differences are link authorization. This is an automated system provided by approved UAS service suppliers. It grants near real-time access to specific airspace at pre-approved altitudes. Part 107 waiver. This is a formal application submitted through Drone Zone, typically...
Okay, just want to explain a few things here. So this time, 5.3 or 5.4 seconds is the time taken for the system to respond to the actual question that I asked. So at the end, when my question finishes, this is how long the system takes to search the content and to synthesize the answer from the search content. As you can see, it's very quick. It generates a filler phrase just to reduce the perceived latency that can be turned off if need be.